People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Again, second video for the day. I'm going to talk about the ongoing saga, mainly with Taxi Man and JUTC bus in Ireland. One thing I pride myself on, as a bad mind blogger boy, as a little YouTuber, we have every type of people in the movement. We conversate with every type of people. PIA, Patron Squad. When I say every type of people, I mean every type. There's no profession I can name when you're in the PIA and Patron Squad. None. A matter of fact, I can name professions that you never even heard about. When people introduce themselves to me, I say, I never even know certain people at Jamaica. Like, where would somebody that even get hired? I never even know certain people at Jamaica. I talk about doctor, lawyer, teacher, nurse, engineer, garbage collector, taxi man, bus man, geologist. Name it, we have it. But only for taxi man in the PIA. They don't know, they move around and them see all kind of things. Sometimes I might even travel in a taxi and hear the local YouTuber play. Might even travel in a bus and hear the local YouTuber play. But me I go tell you now, same thing me tell a PIA brethren. The taxi man. When the big strike did go on in Ireland, taxi man claims that they now work, bring the nation to a standstill. Demand say them want more this and them want more time for this and alright, since them a go out and they want take a serious watch out, we go shut down the whole country. Me link one of my real PIA. And me say, why your stance on the situation? He tell me say, boy look at YouTuber. Me not support it. But you don't know. Cause all of you a taxi man, you have to make it look like an actor, you don't know. Solidarity, and on top of that, the man them say if them see nobody at work, I'm gonna leak out them car glass. That did happen for some people. Enough taxi man never agree with the big strike. This side them still go carry them passengers and man leak out them car glass. Man all get draw out a car and beat up. So badness them depend. It wasn't just, them have them look stands that they might bring badness night, draw man at a taxi, broke out in car glass, they might sell out, cause we tell us if you don't work and boy you work. We tell the brethren then say, the Taximan Association of Ireland will suffer long-lasting consequences for that day. A day that will live in Ireland infamy. We see all clown, stop vehicle and draw people out. I go on like him want fling on a lick for a woman. The optics was terrible. Enough taxi man in Ireland thought that day was proof that the society have to grovel at them feet. And as me say, big up and this up this up. And people know the old saying, who the cap fit and wear it. I have no problem with a man standing up for them believe, But what happened that day wasn't no mission for justice. It was straight up selfishness mixed with badness, mixed with abusing one's leverage. The Taximan Association of Jamaica had a whole heap of leverage because them figure out say if them just don't work for one day, the country come to a complete standstill. Leverage is one of the most powerful words in the world. It's leverage make somebody like LeBron James can tell the Lakers that he want $10 trillion and then give it. It's leverage make Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi them get paid with them pay. Because their clubs see them as so valuable, so needed, so hard to replace that they will give in to their demands. This is why in football, one man can earn $1 million a year and the next man can earn $1 million a week. Leverage. taxi man in Jamaica had a whole heap of leverage. And leverage gives you power. And like most Irish Saxons, when them get power, they become intoxicated. Them start abuse the power. That's what they did. Taxi guy, I know right now you're good at them go something mother. You know you're already upset. That's why you're good at say, oh, that's why the money, that's why I can't wait to spend money only and go so, Alright, but still not gonna change something. These are facts, Irish Sax. Taxi man in Jamaica had a whole heap of leverage. Now only people with extremely high intelligence, especially emotional intelligence, can handle power. Them go realize that them have power and tell themselves, oh alright, them no want to do what we say. Alright, what's the style here? Shut down the country. Be a teeth or skin. What they didn't realize is them dig them own grave. What me I talk about? Blagger boy, what you talk about? Right now you hear the same taxi man them and man a ball now until they say, well, the government flood the road with JUTC bus and the bus them cheaper and right now taxi man not get as much work, them a try to get out taxi man. Taxi guy, do you know when you dig a grave? When you demonstrated to the government of Jamaica and the people of Jamaica that you can single-handedly bring the nation to a standstill. And you demonstrated that you have that power and you're willing to use it willy-nilly over ticket because you want more time to go pay it. Not even a just cause. You weren't fighting for no just cause, guy. You weren't fighting for no human rights. You weren't fighting for no liberation or nothing. You know Marcus Garvey, you know Malcolm X. Taxi guy, remember I made the video, I'ma tell you say, the day uno make so much woman and pitney get left on road. Dog, name it, that is supper. The government of Jamaica and the people of Jamaica are gonna make sure say they will never ever allow you to can put them back in the same situation. When Taximan had that big strike, shut down the whole place. Where you want me there? Phone can't stop ring. Me have to check up. Pana bag people. Then where him there? Where she there? Or she reach home? Or him reach home? Be a question me have to ask. Friends, family, all neighbor people are link me and say, they might try to get to someone, look at them phone dead, can't. Taxi man let them on the roadside. Never again, boy. Boy, the mother's front boy, taxi guy, never again. I remember tell you we have taxi man not the PIA. We have a taxi woman not the PIA. For a reason, I tell you guy, never again. Never again. Who not get the chance to left? So much people on the road. Never again. Go and go strike no? Go and go strike again. Our government are going to bring in one next 100 bus and dog are going to name on the supper. When me is a taxi guy, right, who my family and friends and neighbors I pay for work how much years, I go tell man about he nah gone away. He nah pick up. Him here say pitting the road stranded, woman the road stranded, I go tell man about he nah gone away because he on strike and he want more time to pay a ticket. Alright, Dopey Bot. Okay, Mr. Dopey Batty. Okay. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, guy. Here is the reaction now. Guess what? You cannot hold the nation hostage again. When people that try to get you to have empathy, when people were trying to appeal to your humanity and saying, guy, where we are say, but at the same time, when you can't leave so much people on the road, guy, when you can't have woman and pitney stranded, when you can't have woman and pitney stranded on the road, can't go to them yard, stuck, over beef with the government. Whose pitney you think you left on the road, guy? You think he was Andrew Wallen's pitney or Mark Golding pitney? Who for woman on the left on the road, guy? You think he was Mark Golding pitney? Who for granny and grandpa think on left a road, guy? You think it's Peter Bunting, granny? Are the regular man in the streets in the distance, guy? I know now try look sympathy from the regular guy. Dog, me and on the supper. The Jamaican people don't want to hear your sad story, guy. Cause we hear the taxi man, them on the taxi man way of life and income and that the sad story that is falling on deaf ears right now, guy. The response you're getting from the people, do not be twisted. My ears not the streets. All the time that you want my ears not the streets because more people link me and tell me things, plus people who me know in real life. So I have a wider net, right, of opinions than the average man. And I'm telling you, the average Jamaican don't give a crocodile clitoris about Taxi Man's sad story. Right now. And a big part of that is coming from the fact that they demonstrated a level of coolness on that fateful day where people don't feel sorry for them. No man can't wait to jump up in a JUTC bus. Air condition, may say the bus them have all USB port. You can charge all your phone. And on top of it, it even come out cheaper in some places. Dog, nyameth, thy supper. Let me give you a little history lesson, guy. Back in the day, big oil crisis go on. Oil producing nations come together and go on like, alright, watch your style, we're going to put back on the amount of oil we have put out there. Watch out. World gone in a crisis. Do you know what happened after that? Enough people who rely upon them country there and only buy from them country there, now start buying from other man. Enough countries who even had their own oil but never want to dig it, start dig it. That's what happens when you overplay your hand. No one country right now can talk about, we're not providing the oil, go suck on the more. Alright then, man just go buy it from over here so, dopey bat. Keep your oil. Think you don't have oil? That's what happens when you overplay your hand. The Taxi Manian Association overplayed them hands. They demonstrated to the people of Jamaica. Forget about the government. Forget about the government because as I said, they did not leave government officials a road. They did not leave government pitney a road. They can send drivers and all kind of something. They left the working people of Jamaica on the side of the road over beef for a ticket and things are so go. The whole time the government was cooking up their own plan. Alright, since we need you so much where the country can't move, if you don't move, we are gonna make sure so the country can't move all if you don't move. Overplay their hand, guy. That is what you call a short-term victory and a long-term defeat. If the Taxi Manian Association had any strategy, they would have said, guys, alright, watch out, we're going to make a statement and we're going to make a point. But them people here have to go be exempt. Instead, then they'll stop work. Pitney, old, granny, grandpa, disabled, blind, deaf, everybody get what they don't get. And they were skinning off them teeth. Well, no teeth is skinning right now, is it, guy? Taxi man, listen. You can still turn this around. Give me some advice. Remember, say Taxi man already have certain reputation about them in the car. You know them man, some of them drive like a feeding road. And nobody else no matter. Some of them, not all, obviously. And some of them deal with people like say them a Genghis Khan or Alexander the Great. I don't know them deal with people so. But when people need you to move from point A to point B, I guess they may just lock them out and take this. Not anymore, dopey but. Not anymore, guy. Taxi man. Listen to the local YouTuber. In my opinion, there will always be a place for you. There will always be a place on the road for Taxi man. Things spooky pound right now. Cause one of the main advantages of taxi was that taxi could have just cut through your and going and so. Now the man say Taxi man have to follow certain designated road. You have to just stay up on the road, you have to go where you go. Start off with the basics, make the car more comfortable. Anybody can go on Amazon now and buy one little something you push in a cigarette light here, you get around 5, 6 USB ports. Every passenger in your car is supposed to can plug in your phone. You don't have to listen to me, guy. You can do what you want, you know. And the day of your business, you know. I just true, me know you have a bag of PIA people, a taxi man. I try to show you I one and two things, you know if you listen. But start with the basics, make your car hospitable. Make your car something where people want, you know. It don't cost you much. Go up on Amazon, get them little cigarette lighter thing the way you can plug in and smart in your car, then phone is supposed to have dead on them. And modern times now, whether you like it or not, a phone around the place. Everybody obsessed with their phone, so man want their phone charge. It's a low cost investment with high returns. What are the returns? People feel happy, comfortable. Oh, my phone are dead. Taxi man, you on the charger? Or see a wire there, plug in. Yeah man, thank you taxi man, no me can't call the people. Simple things like that. Start with the basics. Get back to basics, taxi man, no found no loose in the way. That move on the pull, that big national strike and shutdown, that short-term victory, long-term defeat. But it's not over. It's not over. But never again will nobody for me ever rely upon a taxi man. Never again. That's why when time them try shut down Uber and them something, them tell them they say, hold on there guy. That means say, you have to give back man extreme leverage where they can just do it no guy. Them look up the way you can summon a taxi and something. People are looking and say, look what you better know sir. You have all the Iron Man version. You have Jamaican companies now where you can like get an app and like summon a taxi and the app turn up on them thing. I mean I say what that is it. That's the youth them that I say. That's a code. Jamaican companies investing on the thing. See me a foreign guy can have app where him send the taxi and taxi come and see me only for do it, investing on the thing. That big national strike where taxi man them do and make the whole country come to a standstill. People left a road, people phone dead pan them can't reach them. What then they? Anyway, Patreon squad big up on themselves. Yeah, don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.